come with me to put on DIY lash extensions. So the brand Doris reached out to me and sent me over a few packets of eyelashes. So I wanted to go ahead and try them out with you guys. I've done eyelash extensions for a little bit now, so I feel like I've gotten a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more set in the way that I do them. But we're gonna go in with this packet. I've obviously used it before. These are the Bring Lash Artist Home packet in Rosemary. I'm going in with their glue, and what I do first is go in section by section doing my eyelashes. So I'm gonna start with the inner corner. And it's okay to get a little bit of the bond on your eyelid, because once you're done, you can go ahead and wipe that off with a makeup remover. I'm first gonna go in with the size 14 on the outer corner, and I'm just gonna place that underneath. And this glue is really good, so they do stick on pretty easily. And then the next set that I'm gonna go in is 12s for the remainder of my lid. I'm very simple when it comes to doing my eyelashes. And as you can see, it's super easy to apply. It really is beginner friendly. And then once I'm done with that one section, I'll go in the middle portion of my eyelids and continue to do the 12s for the remainder section. So I am going for an everyday look, so I just did the 14s on the outer corner and the remainder 12s. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and seal them. So this has the wand at the top, and what I do is just dab it on underneath. And then I'll go ahead and coat the tops. And then this is the last step that I personally do, which I feel like makes the lashes stick a little bit longer, is go in and squeeze the lash to your real lash so that everything blends together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye the same exact way. So this is the final look of the lashes. They're super natural and super pretty, and I'm obsessed with them.